Hey guys, my name's Caleb. I'm a manufacturing engineer at magniX. I've always enjoyed figuring out how things work, taking things apart, putting them back together. In high school, I had my first car was a 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle. I tore it apart, fixed it up, done a lot of work on my Hondas and Toyotas. So I think it's really interesting and fascinating just to see the different ways that things are done. I also really enjoyed designing and creating. So not just taking apart something that somebody else has designed, but designing and creating myself. I enjoy woodworking, building things. I think it's really cool to see things come from a piece of paper and from your brain, just creating this idea and seeing it come to life. So as a manufacturing engineer, I am responsible for everything that goes into assembling our product. In our case, it's an electric motor. So I'm responsible for defining the process that we're going to go through, the steps that we're going to follow to assemble the motor. So we're going to take all these pieces, and where do we start first? So there might be some new ways that we're going to do things. So we need to test those out, do some R&D, some experiments to figure out what's the best way to do this. And then the part that I really enjoy the most is designing the equipment. So there's going to be special tools that you're going to need to pick parts up, to fixture parts, to hold them in place, to locate them. So after you design the equipment, you need to turn it into an assembly line. So you're kind of doing both steps in parallel, figuring out how to break up the process, design the equipment, and then creating this assembly line. And you need to find how parts are going to flow, how parts are going to be introduced to the line, how they're going to exit the line. You need to make sure that the line's balanced, that an equal amount of work is done at each station. How I got here is I studied mechanical engineering at Virginia Tech. I think mechanical engineering, I'm biased, but it's a great field to go into. It's arguably the broadest of the engineering fields. I think it creates a lot of opportunities for people out of college. I started in the automotive industry. I've worked for a bearing manufacturer for a while, and I also worked at Tesla prior to this. So I was able to do both the automotive industry, and then I was able to transfer that over to the aerospace industry as well. So it creates a lot of opportunities. I think it also allows for you to take a variety of different paths. You could take the product design path, or you could take the path that I've gone and say, I want to focus on building the product. So there's also that route that you can do with mechanical engineering as well. My encouragement to you would be to think about what it is you enjoy and see how you could apply it to career paths that are out there. You spend a lot of time at work, and I think it's really important to enjoy what you do, and I think it'll help you be successful at what you do if you really enjoy it. So hope that helps. Thanks for listening.